Hello everyone. Welcome my channel where I share some amazing health and fitness content and some great tips on how to stay fit and healthy on a daily basis. If you are new and just finding this channel, always remember to do me a favor by leaving a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Always remember to click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these videos like the provide here. Also make sure you watch this video until the end, as you will be surprised about our findings on Gforce dental supplement. Before we get started, check out the first link in the description after watching this video to get Gforce dental supplement at a discounted price. Let's begin. Gforce supplement is an advanced dental health formula with high-quality ingredients that work to support oral hygiene by way of naturally rebuilding teeth and gums from the inside out. But do the Gforce pills work, or are there negative side effect risks to know about before buying today? Gforce is a dental supplement that claims to support tooth and gum health. Just take 2 capsules of Gforce daily to purportedly rebuild your gums and teeth while getting rid of tooth decay. Used in conjunction with a 30-second trick before brushing your teeth, the Gforce dental supplement for oral hygiene support uses advanced natural ingredients to help optimize mouth health. But what is Gforce? Does Gforce work, or is it yet another dental health supplement that doesn't work? Or is this the solution for gum and mouth problems? Find out everything you need to know about Gforce today in our review. How does Gforce work? Gforce is founded on the idea that gum disease, tooth decay, and bad breath are unrelated to your oral hygiene. Even if you brush your teeth daily, you can still develop gum disease and tooth decay. Modern dental science tells us that dental hygiene is crucial for oral health. People who don't brush their teeth tend to have worse oral health than people who do brush their teeth. The makers of Gforce, however, flip that concept on its head, claiming the two are unrelated. Despite popular belief, gum disease, tooth decay and even bad breath have nothing to do with how good your oral hygiene is, but with dangerous bacteria buried deep inside your gums, eating at your roots and creating deadly complications for your eyes, throat, heart and lungs. In fact, even people who brush 10 times per day will not eliminate this bacteria. No matter how hard they try, even the most advanced cleaning treatments will not destroy the bacteria lurking in your mouth. With that in mind, Gforce is formulated to support the underlying issues that virtually any tooth or gum problem derives from, regardless of your age, the severity of your condition, or your oral hygiene habits. What does Gforce do? Gforce fills your saliva with antibiotic compounds that target bacteria in your teeth and gums. Instead of removing bacteria by brushing and rinsing your mouth, Gforce strengthens your mouth from the inside out. Using herbal extracts, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds, Gforce fills your body with ingredients that support healthy inflammation and antioxidant activity. In fact, the makers of Gforce claim the ingredients work like natural antibiotics and are capable of removing dangerous hotbeds of infections in just a few hours. By supporting healthy bacteria levels in your mouth, Gforce claims to fortify your gums, strengthen your teeth, and help solve other serious dental problems. Gforce refund policy. Gforce is backed by a 60-day refund policy. You can request a complete refund on your purchase within 60 days. If you don't eliminate your gum and tooth problems after using Gforce, or if you're unhappy with the effects of the supplement for any reason, then you can request a complete refund with no questions asked. You can contact them. Email, support@gforceteeth.com. Mailing address, 123 Southeast 3rd Avenue Suite 574, Miami, Florida 33131. Check description for more information.